Hello, hello.
Can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yeah, I'm Hasan Jack Dominguez Lapinas, and I'm from the Cordillera Administrative Region, your registered nurse and a physical health advocate.
Ayan, from the Cordillera
Yeah,
Administrative Region. How does it feel na you're not only representing your hometown but the whole region?
I feel very proud and full of emotions right now, and I will do my best to not disappoint the Cordillera Administrative Region. I will bring the people from the Cordillera here in the national stage.
Cordillera itself is a very the
Ah,
melting pot of traditional
yeah.
heritage talaga ng Pilipinas. So, anong siguro one quality or characteristic ng isang Cordillera na dadalhin mo dito sa competition?
Yeah. Cordilleran people are resilient. Talagang pinaglalaban namin ang aming region. And that is why we are not conquered by Spain. Kaya talagang we are so brave and we fight for our country also. Yeah.
Saan kaya specific yung sa Cordillera?
Yeah, I'm from the mountain province po.
Sagada or
Ano?
sama sa Mountain Province?
Bauco, Bila Bauco Mountain Province. Hello from Bila Bauco Mountain Province.
Ay, di pa ako nakakarating sa Sagada lang yung naalala ko kay Isabel.
Yeah. Malapit po doon yung Sagada. Yeah.
So, speaking of your place, kasi napakaganda ng place.
Yeah.
Every year dahil 3 consecutive years sa balik-balik ako. Siguro ang word ko lang. What is your opinion sa modernization ng lugar ko ng province?
Yeah, it's really amazing actually kasi despite all of the renovation and improvements to our place, nadadala namin pa rin ang culture. That is why it's being preserved every year. Kaya mas napopromote siya and nalalaman siya from other countries. Yeah.
Actually ngayon, isa sa mga problema sa iba-ibang rehiyon sa Pilipinas is yung cultural preservation. And kayo, malakas kasi ang cultural identity niyo sa Cordillera. Ano ang mapapayo mo sa ibang mga rehiyon para ma-preserve yung kultura nila?
Yeah, I advise to all the people from other religions, even for us Cordilleras, that despite of differences, we should give diversities. We should learn to engrave in ourselves diversity para kaya din natin makipag-blend in sa ibang tao and we will have a good communication and good community. Yeah.
And ano ano ang nag-iisip sa'yo para sumali dito? Aside from I know you're a Pineo Cordillera,
Yeah.
anong motivation mo?
Yeah. Actually, I joined this because I'm fighting for my advocacy. Yeah. I'm a registered nurse and I want to bring physical fitness. I want to educate people regarding to our health and I want to use physical fitness through it. Kaya yun yung aking pinaglalaban ngayon.
Ayan. And ano na lang message mo sa mga kababayan? You can greet them, thank them in your own language, gaya na.
Kumusta ay kailyak? I-support yung hakon from Bilabao, Mountain Province and gawis ay agaw tayo amin.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Bobby.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Mr. Bobby.